How to save Instagram draft reels in Gallery without posting. In this video, I will show you how to save Instagram draft reels in Gallery without posting. First, open or launch the Instagram mobile application, just like I am doing here. After that, you will land on the homepage of the app, where you will see the different posts that have been shared by people. From there, go ahead and tap on the Create a New Post icon that appears here. After that, you will land on this page where you will see all your photos and videos in your gallery. From there, proceed and tap on the Reels option from the sections that appear here so that you can see only things to do with Instagram Reels. We are now in the Reels section. From there, go to the top menu and tap on this option named Drafts. After that, this page appears where you will see all the draft Reels you have in your account. I only have one here. Next, tap on the draft so that you can proceed to the posting page. As you can see, you will land on this page where you can add more info to the Reels before sharing. From there, tap on this option here named Edit. This will take you to this page where you can edit the Reel video before sharing it. You can add things such as filters, music, and many other edits. The Download or Save Reel button used to appear somewhere here at the top of the screen. But due to a recent update, they have changed it. Don't worry, I will show you where to find it. All you have to do is to pull down the video, just like I am doing here. This will bring this display page where you will fully see the video. This also shows you new options that were not appearing before. One of the options is the Save Reel option, which appears somewhere here on your screen. So go ahead and tap on it. After that, the process of saving the reel will begin. Give it time. As you can see, the process is complete. If this feature is not there on your account, exit Instagram and open either the App Store or Play Store depending on the device you are using, because the tutorial is the same on. After that, search for Instagram and check if the app needs to be updated and update it. This will ensure you get all the newest features that have been added to the app after the recent update. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. That is how to save Instagram draft reels in Gallery without posting.